Hi, I'm Frederick Danzoy. I'm the owner of San Antonio Laser Engraving, and this is our shop. We get students from all over the United States that come and train with us to learn how to laser engrave. Right now, they're learning how to do a logo insertion into a Glock frame with a pattern insertion as well. Right now, the trainers are going over our support procedures, showing them our resource and support website where we provide answers when people have questions or issues with some of the techniques that they learn in class. So the training class is 5 days, and it covers all of the engraving techniques that we use for firearms and also for general laser engraving. People come in on Monday, and by the time they leave on Friday, pretty much then they can do everything that we do. Just a little bit slower, of course, but it's a pretty in-depth training that covers frame prep, metal engraving, deep engraving, color change, 3D, but mostly design, tons of design. It's actually the biggest part of the job.